Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, remember to subscribe, show some love. Yes, today I'm going to show you how to perfectly and easily create line chart in Excel. So as you have seen earlier, creating any class in Excel, most of the time it involves selecting the data and then going to the insert button and finding the relevant chart that you want to insert. For example, in this case, we'll be using this data of month and visitors. We want to see how the trend of visitors from January to June. We want to know which month had the most visitors, which month had least visitors, and things like that. Yeah, so the first thing we do is just to highlight our data, include the month and visitors rows, and come to insert. Here insert, then you come to recommended charts. We click on recommended charts, and then we want a line chart. This one is a clustered column chart. We don't want that one, but we want a line chart, so we will just select line charts, and with that we have inserted our line chart in Excel. So the next thing is to add. We have to add the access titles, and yes, that's the only thing we have to do. So we, on the y-axis, we write visitors, and they are in thousands. Visitors in thousands. Thousands. Uh, hmm. Yes, on the bottom is months. So it will be visitors by month. We want to know what is the trend of visitors. Let's say maybe they are visiting a certain museum. Yes, we want to know what is the trend of the visitors. As you can see, January was a low season, and from January it increased to March. March was a bit peak, then it dropped through April and then increased. Yes, and that's how we create a line chart. If you're not okay with this kind of chart, this design, you can come here on chart designs and select the one that makes you happy. You can decide to choose that one, that one, that one, any that makes you happy or you feel you relate with it. For me, I'm thinking of going with this one. Looks better on me. I select that one. Then remember to come here on home and set our chart. Make sure you select like this. This I'll select the chart here. Then make it times New Roman. Then make it 12. Also enlarge it to make it much bigger and easy to read. Also Control A to highlight all the data set and also set them to Times New Roman and font 12. Yes, and that's how we create a line chart in Excel. Thank you for watching. Yes, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.